here with a room makeover. I will be making over my daughter's room. I've been putting it on hold for a while, but this is what it's currently looking like. It's pretty much a mess. Here's the smallest wall here, the mirror and some photos, and then we have the window. I've been kind of putting this project off for a while, so I'm glad to finally tackle this. Here is her crib / toddler bed. That's a random lei that she got from Moana, so she's obsessed with it. I'll be getting rid of these flowers in the corner, and this is the wallpaper I plan on putting up. I just kind of pinned it to the wall to give me an idea what it'll look like. Everything here has been here kind of since she had her nursery, so a lot of old items. On the floor is more of that wallpaper and a little rug. Her dresser will definitely be staying, and these are her little bookshelves that I put up a long time ago. I think she's kind of outgrown them. This is what they look like right now, and I think I'm gonna get rid of them. So here I am just unrolling this wallpaper. I purchased this wallpaper from AliExpress. I'll make sure to link it below. Next, I am just using push pins to kind of place it on the wall, make sure I have enough, and just to see what it's going to look like. This is what it's looking like, and I think I like it, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed on placing it on the wall. So here I'm just taking down the pins that I had put on earlier, and now I'm slowly peeling back the backing. It is peel and stick wallpaper, so slowly peeling it back and then slowly sticking it on. As you can see, I'm going up from under and I'm pulling down a layer, and then I'm smoothing it out, and I'm just doing that all the way down, section by section. And I think this is probably the easiest way to do it. That way you're not dealing with like a huge piece of sticky paper. Now when I get to the bottom, I'm just using a pocket knife to kind of cut it against the molding. And this part's pretty simple. The texture of the wallpaper is very fibrous, almost like canvas-like, so I think a knife would work better than scissors, especially in that corner. And then here's what it's looking like. It's not perfect, but it will do. Here is the finished project of the very first panel, and I think I did pretty well at getting it at the seam of the corner. Next, my husband decided to come help me, and we're just doing the second panel. This could definitely be a one-person job, but it just went a whole lot faster with two people. So if you have someone to help, definitely take advantage of that. And we're just doing the same process, slowly peeling it back as we stick it on section by section. So we decide to switch for this portion. We're aligning the last piece in the corner. This last section was a little bit tricky because I did not catch that I was actually running out. When I had originally pinned the wallpaper up, it looked like I even had too much, but after smoothing it out, I don't know if you can see right there, but we are lacking a tad bit in the corner. I'll do a close-up. Here there's an outlet, so we're just cutting the hole for the outlet, and here's the close-up of the corner that I was talking about. We are missing a little bit of wallpaper, but instead of starting over and ordering more, we're just gonna leave it as is. We don't think it's too noticeable, so here it is. I would definitely recommend getting extra if you're doing this project. So here my husband is just securing the canopy to the ceiling. So this is where we are so far. I purchased this bookshelf from Target.com and assembled it. And this is where I plan to put it. There is a place for you to mount it to the wall right there. But I'm not going to do that just yet because I don't know if this is going to be the permanent layout for her room, because as you can see, it's Christmas time and we've set up her Christmas tree. So I don't know if it's going to be there or if I'm going to have to move it over. So I'm going to leave it unmounted for now, just to avoid more holes in the wall. So everything's kind of a mess. The ladder's right there because we moved this canopy from here. It was hanging right here, and so my husband moved it here, and this is where it's gonna stay. I like it over here, so I just have to move out the ladder. And then this is her little baby pillow that she's so obsessed with, so we're probably gonna keep that. I know it doesn't match, but it still works, so we'll keep it for now until we switch it out with maybe a bean bag later on. I'm probably gonna move that over here in that corner. And then here are all the Christmas tree decor. I'm gonna be putting that on the shelf, maybe leaving some on the dresser. This feather one I got from Hobby Lobby. It's super cute. And then these rose gold ones, I had those on my entryway last year, but they're no longer there. So I thought I'd move them in here. And yeah. Oh yeah, this is her reward chart. So I found this on a blog and it's been working pretty well. So I'll leave that there. And then let me just show you this wall. This is just her mirror that she uses. Super cheap mirror I got from Walmart. I figure why spend a lot for a mirror in a toddler's room. And then this is her closet. I don't know why I still have this diaper genie. I need to get rid of it. She's been potty trained for over a year now. But yeah, she does still wear pull-ups sometimes, so I guess that's why that's in here. But I need to get rid of that. But yeah, this is the smallest wall. And I just put some of her newborn / 1 year photos here. And then for Christmas, I just put this. This used to be on her little bookshelf. She used to have these little ledges and she kind of outgrew those. They couldn't hold that many books, so I got rid of it. And then I just put that there because I didn't know where to put it. But that's a little tiny Christmas decor window, and then her closet right here. And then this I recently got because she's obsessed with princesses. This little nightlight. Let me turn that off. And so here we are with the books. I had her books on this little cart from IKEA in her playroom, but it wasn't really supposed to be used for books. I just used that just because. So since I got her bookshelf, I purchased these from Target. Super cheap. I think they're like $4 a piece. And then I organized her books, all her books from that little cart inside here. And then she has a bunch of these little highlight magazines, and I put those in there too. And I'm just gonna put these boxes on the bookshelf. So now she has a little more space in the playroom and we can use that cart for something else. So I'm gonna organize these, put them on the bookshelf, and then just get her room ready. It's pretty much done. It just needs to be rearranged. And then this baby I purchased from a friend of mine, and I will link her shop below. And I'm obsessed with it. As you can see, I just kind of used little push pins just to kind of figure out where I was gonna place it. But I like this placement, so I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. No need to put more holes in the wall with nails. So, I mean, it doesn't bother me, so I'm just gonna leave it. And then here's her bedding. We try to use satin sheets. I got a Christmas pillow that I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put in there. And then a new blanket that she hasn't been using yet. But yeah, it's coming together. Closer look. That black thing over there is just her air purifier. And here is actually the frame that I plan on putting on the wall after Christmas to kind of fill up this space. I got the frame from IKEA, and then I'm just going to put probably a ballerina picture because she's into ballerinas in it. And so here's how I arranged the bookshelf. Sorry, the space is kind of tight. These she got for her birthday, super cute books. Talks about different leaders, activists, artists. different women, inspiring women, and then just some extra books. And so I'm gonna put some of the Christmas decor up top here. I left the bins kind of low just so she could reach them. The heaviest at the bottom, of course. But yeah, time to decorate the bookshelf. So I got this candle from Target. It's called Sugar and Spice and it smells really good. And then just some bottle brush trees I already had. The snowmen are from Target as well, Dollar Spot. Unicorn, I believe, is from Target Dollar Spot as well. I got it a while ago though. So here we are. And welcome to the finished product, holiday version.